Welcome to my September favorites. This isn't really a September favorites. This is more like a spring 2014 until October, till the 1st of October favorites. And that's because I haven't been making videos. Welcome to my spring, summer, and September favorites. And there are so many products that I like and I want to show you. So I've just chosen a few to show you. And so I want to start with lip products. The first thing that I want to show you is the Color Lips Pop number 3 from Etude House. Let me try to show you the wand. And you can see the color there. Actually, the color doesn't look this bright orange on your lips. I'm wearing it right now, so see? It is a good color actually for me. I would wear this, and I still wear this, in September and October. So for me, it works for fall. I mean, for me, orange is the fall color. I mean, pumpkins and Halloween. I mean, orange is like the main theme of fall. I know that purple is really in and really hot right now, and I love that dark purple look, and so I'm doing that as well. But during the day, you know, I'm an English teacher. I go to school. I hang out with kids a lot. So this one is great, and you know, not very bold, but it has a light coverage, and it has an orange tint to it. Swatched, this is what it looks like. Another lip color that I've been wearing is one that you've seen in a makeup tutorial, the expensive makeup tutorial. And this is number 31, Rouge Volupte from Yeves Saint Laurent. Aren't the cases so pretty? Oh my gosh, they are so beautiful. But the thing is that they cost 25 euros here to buy a lipstick. Not even 25, it was 25 euros on sale. The full price is 31 euros. And it says fuchsia, but it definitely has some purple to it. I made a mirror. Some colors just don't really show up that well on camera. I don't know why. And that is what it looks like. Loves it. I love their makeup. Yves Saint Laurent, call me. Okay, another lipstick that I've really been liking too is JPK 001 by Etude House, and it is from my Sweet Jelly Lips line, and I do love this line. I have the orange one as well, OR201 I believe, and that one I really like as well, but it doesn't offer much color payoff. I mean, it's quite clear and more like a lip balm. So these lipsticks are very lip balmy and just gorgeous and just moisturizing, and for someone with dry skin and dry lips and dry hair and everything, it's amazing. I love lip balms and lip balm tints and lip balmy lipsticks. I mean, that's what I like. So yeah, it's a light pink, but where it's touching my lips, it's a darker color because it's a lip tint. So even though it's a light pink, it kind of looks like just a lip, like it's just going to be a lip balm. It's a tint. I don't know if it has eucalyptus or mint or something, but it has a soothing quality to it. I just love putting these on my lips. It's like so soothing and moisturizing on my lips, and it's hot pink fuchsia. So let me take that off. So since that was kind of a strong lip tint actually by Etude House, my lips are still a bit pink. So not to worry, because the next lippy that I'm going to show you is by Color Lips Fit, and I like this a lot in the spring especially. And the reason why I like this is because of the color, like not so much the formula, but it's PK003, and it's one that Sully was wearing. Sully from FX is one of the models for this, and so she was wearing this one in all the ads. And a lot of people didn't like this lip line at all, and that was because of the formula and the dryness of it, but I didn't really have a big problem with that. And I love I just love the color of this, and it is a dual product, so it goes on your lips and it's like a matte liquid lipstick, and it's also for your cheeks as well. So I'm gonna put some on my cheeks as well, just to show you what it looks like. I put too much on. Sorry about that. You should probably just go with a dot. Okay, there you go. Oh my god. At least you can see, you know, the color better then. On the lips, it dries to, you know, more powdery. It is not completely non-transferable. It does transfer for sure. Sorry. It's not that drying on me as what I've read from a lot of blogs, that for them it was very drying, but for me it wasn't that drying. So, and another thing that I really like about it is how it looks on the cheeks is just amazing, and it dries to like powdery finish, like it just feels soft and powdery, and I really like it. And I mean, yeah, you can definitely compare it to the other line by Yves Saint Laurent, which is so similar, but I believe that Etude House came up with it first. I believe that, I'm not sure. And there's another product that I want to tell you about, and that is the Innisfree Lip Mousse, and this is number 3. This you can use on your lips and also on your cheeks, and it's like a moussey consistency, and the color is very bright and very strong, and very, very pigmented. Okay, so that's what it looks like as, you know, one coat and a lighter layer. You can just dot it on and, you know, rub it off around with your finger. Go like that. You can also use it on your cheeks as a blush. Hold on, let me put some on my cheeks for you. I wonder if you can see that. Like, you just need a tiny, tiny, tiny bit to put on your finger and then put it on, or just use like what's left over from when you rubbed your lips on your cheeks, and you just really, even on your lips, you just need a little bit. A little goes a long way with this Innisfree Lip Mousse. This is more moisturizing than the Lips Fit one. Yeah, so I just put a light color, a light coat of them on. You can go bolder. So that's what it looks like. Okay, so on to non-lip products. Another product that I've really been liking is the Lime and Mint Natural Facial Foam by Scinic. Okay, and it's just a facial foam. So the Mizon one is more moisturizing and better for drier skin, and this one is better for oilier skin, I think, but this one is better than the Mizon one at removing makeup. And during the summer, this one has been really good for me because it's just better for oily skin, and I've just really been loving it. Morning and night, I find it great for summer, but I'm not sure if this is good for winter for me because I have dry skin. If you have dry skin, then maybe just for the summer. And this is the Skinny and Jumbo Mascara from Innisfree. Well, there's something that I don't love about it. I don't love the Skinny Mascara. The Skinny Mascara hardly does anything. Like, people have been raving about the Skinny Mascara by Innisfree, and I showed you this in another, in the fall makeup tutorials. Yes, it's a very thin, skinny mascara wand, and yes, similar to the lash primers that are black that some companies have been coming out with, but I would say that the Skinny Mascara is nice for people who are students who don't want to don't want anyone to know that they're wearing mascara, but they are wearing mascara, because it does very, very little. The Jumbo mascara is my favorite mascara, maybe ever. It is so good. And I'm wearing it right now. So you can see this mascara in action in my fall tutorial makeup looks. But this is really amazing and I love the Jumbo mascara so much. Another favorite of mine is the Etude House CC Cream in Silky. They say it's #1 Silky, and they say that this is really good for oily skin and that it's mattifying. Listen, I have dry skin and I've been using this and loving it, and this is so great for when you have to, you know, me, I have to be around kids and I don't want to have full makeup and playing with kids, and it just doesn't make any sense. Like, why is the teacher wearing so much makeup, you know? And so you just gotta blend it. Okay, and it goes in your skin. Let's compare hands. So this has it on, and this doesn't have it on. This has it on, and this doesn't have it on. So it just brightens the complexion. It smells like baby powder, and it makes your skin feel soft. It is a bit mattifying, but it's also moisturizing. I don't believe that this is just for oily skin. I think that if this was for oily skin, it would come off very quickly, and I haven't broken out with this. I haven't reacted to this as well. So it doesn't have much coverage. So it's just very much like, you know, a natural skin look. So a product that I've really been using, but I've only tried a bit of, is the Nature Republic Snail Solution 80 Emulsion. And I've just used this tester and love it, and I want to buy the full size. So I've really been liking it, and it's like thicker than a normal emulsion, and I don't know, it has snail extract in it, and I just really liked it, just like the feel of it, and I found it to be very moisturizing as well, so very good for dry skin, and I really want to buy the full size now. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you about that is so good. Okay, another product that I was using in the summer was the Keihl's In Flight Refreshing Facial Mist, and I didn't use this in flight, but I used this during the summer just to spray my face when I felt hot. It says, our refreshing facial mist detoxifies and purifies skin as it breathes life back into a complexion irritated by extreme in-flight cabin conditions. Its cooling formula begins working instantly to revive skin. This facial mist is formulated with cactus flower to keep skin hydrated under... And then they stopped talking. Under and stop. There wasn't anything else written. It has a cooling effect, so you spray it on. Can you see? And it's just cooling and refreshing and just cools down the skin. And I've just felt that very comforting during the hot months. So in the summer, I really like this. And it's hydrating as well. So recently, I did a video where I showed you 6 ways to wear a colored mascara. And this is the Dior It-Lash in pink. It says 872, and so I've been using this a lot too in the summer. It has that rubber brush with wide rubbery bristles. So it goes on quite thick, but I guess it needs to so that you get the color payoff. And yeah, I've really been liking this, and it's just been fun using it and trying different styles with it, and it just adds like impact to your lashes and just like adds like color, and I just love color, so I've been really liking this as well. If there's sun out, I've got sunscreen out, and I don't like sunscreen to be in my cosmetic products. I prefer that my creams and emulsions do, you know, what they're supposed to do, and then I put a sunscreen over that and under my makeup so that sunscreen can do what it's supposed to do, you know? So I don't know, I'm weird like that. Also, it's not supposed to be good to like layer different sunscreens over each other because that reduces the efficacy of it. So I just have one sunscreen, and I try to get products without sunscreen in it. Unfortunately, it's really hard to find like BB creams or CC creams without sunscreen in it. But anyways, I still always wear sunscreen all year round because I'm paranoid like that. The Innisfree Eco Safety Perfect Sunblock. And yeah, glare. There, you can kind of see it now. Now I'm holding up two other sunscreens just to compare the ones that I've tried recently. The Rilastil and the Avene one. And just not impressed with these as much as this one. And it just smells fresh and like sunscreen, but like fresher. And it says with organic sunflower oil and green tea. It's 5 free, meaning paraben free, 5 things free. So that's good. It's long lasting, and it's SPF 50 PA+++, and it doesn't leave a greasy feel. It just goes into your skin, but your skin feels more moisturized and protected. This is definitely also for dry skin, or maybe combination to dry skin, but not for oily skin, because it is a moisturizing sunscreen, but it does not leave any grease or oil after, and the Rilastil seriously does, and the Avene is better at that, but this one just is better and feels better. They put this cream in a spray bottle, but it doesn't like spray on like a mist, it just sprays like a clump of cream on your skin, and then you have to rub it in anyway. So this is just easy, fast, it goes into your skin, it sinks into your skin quite quickly, and I feel like I can use it all year round. And yeah, it feels comfortable on my skin, and no irritations, no breakouts. So yeah, I really like the Innisfree sunblock. And that's it for my favorites. And if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Thank you so much, and hope to see you again soon. Bye!